All right, we're here on location. We got this dead snag hanging here right by the house. It's actually, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's favoring this way. You know, like here's level. I don't know if you can see it, but it's leaning like that. But there's the house. We got a redirect on that tree over there up to this. I'm gonna try to see if we can't pull it over. I'm gonna put a face cut in it. All right, tree number 2. Old snaggy hag on the hillside. Still within reaching distance of this house, which is why I'm hired. Get a little poison ivy on it. Same setup, Mazdam rope puller with the pulley redirect over there. Into that fork, it actually took me 7 or 8 tries to get the throw ball through that fork, which is kind of odd because that was an easy shot. Still within reaching distance of the house. I'm gonna put an undercut in there and I'll start filming again. All right, I just crippled that tree. That's tree number 3 and 4 here. Dead oak. I'm gonna try to domino effect that tree into that tree and send them both over that bank, which that one's not really gonna go over the bank, but wish me luck. Well, the domino effect worked out great. That tree right there went right into that one, knocked her both over the hill. All right, that's tree number 5 here. So let's see what happens.